Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make oat flour cookies, updated. Measure 1. 5 cups oat flour, 3/4 cup sugar, softened butter, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt, then preheat your oven to 350 degrees F. Combine dry and wet ingredients separately, then mix until just combined. This method keeps the cookies tender and avoids overworking the dough. Warm your tools and bowl if needed. Then cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy before adding 1 egg and vanilla. Fold in oat flour and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda gently, mixing only until the dough comes together to avoid dense cookies. Scoop rounded tablespoons and place them about 2 inches apart on the parchment-lined sheet for even spreading, and chill briefly if your dough seems too soft to hold shape. Slide the tray into the preheated oven and bake cookies for 10 to 12 minutes, watching for golden edges while centers remain soft. Let the cookies rest on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes to firm up, then transfer to a cooling rack so they finish setting without becoming soggy. Once cool, store in an airtight container for up to 3 days or freeze for longer, keeping your cookies fresh and chewy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.